Do you know that under Republic Act 10699, or the National Athletes and Coaches Benefits and Incentives Act, Olympic gold medalists are entitled to 10 million pesos from the Philippine Sports Commission.
What?
Silver medalists get 5 million pesos.
This is insane, man!
And bronze medalists get 2 million pesos.
Oh my God!
Winning at the Olympics not only brings personal glory and national honor, but victorious athletes also receive substantial incentives from companies and brands.
Is this for real?
Now, based on my research, in Carlos Yulo's case, wherein he won 2 gold medals from artistic gymnastics categories, namely men's floor exercise and men's vault, this entitles him to a 20 million worth of benefits and incentives
Oh my God!
from the Philippine Sports Commission. This also includes the following benefits and incentives.
This is insane, man!
Additional 3 million pesos from the House of Representatives. House and lot, care of the Philippine Olympic Committee. A 3-bedroom unit in McKinley Hill worth 32 million. Plus 3 million cash, care of Mega World.
What?
5 million pesos from ICTSI, or the International Container Terminal Services Inc., for gold-winning athletes.
This is insane, man!
And not only that,
Oh my God!
Carlos Yulo also receives the following rewards after his exemplary performance in the 2024 Paris Olympics.
In times when we don't know.
Is this for real?
Lifetime free buffet by Vikings.
Oh my God!
Lifetime free meals and drinks by Tipsy Pig,
This is insane, man!
JT's Kalayaan,
Oh my God!
and Don Macchiatos. Lifetime free design services, care of Nexa Engineering.
What?
Free furnitures worth 100,000 pesos, care of Apollo Home Depot. And lifetime free medical consultations provided by Dr. Virgin Law.
Is this for real?
Through this video, I sincerely congratulate Carlos Yulo for his historic achievements at the 2024 Paris Olympics. For me, his unwavering passion for sports, Filipino pride, and Olympic spirit make him truly deserving for the many benefits, incentives, and rewards he is set to receive. Credits also to Rappler, BBC News, and above all, Mr. Kong TV for the sources and inspiration of this video. Thank you.